guys, it's your girl Chef Chris, and I'm back here with another video. And today we're focusing on blanching. So we're going to be blanching some broccoli, and you can choose whatever green vegetables you have, asparagus, bok choy, whatever you like. So let's get into it. Want to learn how to get broccoli like this instead of like this? Well, stay tuned. Okay, so first things first. Whenever I'm working with food, it's definitely safety, cleanliness. So today I'm going to be using some gloves to keep my hand protected and keep the food safe. Get these on. Now, with blanching food or vegetables, it's very important to have everything about the same size. Okay. So things the same size makes sure that everything is cooked evenly and at the same time. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how I break down a head of broccoli. So what I like to do when I'm getting florets, I just kind of like to go around closer to the furry part, the dark green area. So I kind of just go all around here just to break it down easier. Now, I'm definitely an advocate for using the whole vegetable, but in this case we only need pretty much these top parts. So save this, you can make broccoli soup with this, and even whatever trimmings you have left you can use to make broccoli soup. Or any sauteed vegetable for that. So I get closer to the top. Now cut this piece in 4. Now we have equal parts. So let me do that again. Cut it close. And then this one I'll cut it in half. Okay. So I'm gonna finish up the rest. And we have enough just to get through this demonstration. Okay, so the key to blanching vegetables is definitely to have ice water next to it. I know I said ice water is important, but having boiling water is equally important as well. This is crucial. Ice water. Yes. Okay, I have a bowl, big medium-sized bowl with ice in it. So my water is boiling and I'm going to dump the broccoli inside. Now you can do this in batches to show you guys. You can see I'm going to submerge the broccoli inside. You can also steam it as well. Okay. Now this is it. Take it out, drop it into the ice. Try to get as much of the water out. So that's why I'm using a slide spoon. Slide spoon. Yes. And drop the broccoli. Push the broccoli into the ice water. Okay, so now your broccoli is in the water. How long do you leave it in there? Wondering. Literally. If the water is not, the broccoli is not warm, it's good to go. So, I have a strainer and a bowl in. Take your broccoli. Sometimes I squeeze it a little bit because vegetables love to hold water. The broccoli is all ready to go. You can eat it like this, you can saute it, you can roast it after this, or you know, whatever you feel. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you learned something, give this video a thumbs up, share with your family, your friends, other chefs, and leave some comments in the bottom. Let me know what you thought of the video, what else would you like to see, and let's chat. Keep it green. See ya.